always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually going to be covering the Supreme Week 5 live cop. I did go ahead and record my screen while I was at work. Y'all know how that has been going this whole season. I'm gonna go ahead and react to it in this video. If you guys do end up enjoying, you know what to do, bro. Go ahead and slap a fat like on this video. Subscribe down below if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And also, please make sure and subscribe. We're trying to get to 17,000 by my B-Day, which is in a week, and 20,000 by the end of 2020. So let's see if we can make this shit happen. I promise you guys, if we get to 20,000, I'll give away like a bandana box logo tee or some shit like that. A banger giveaway will come once I reach 20K. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. This morning was kind of a shit show. It took like 7 minutes for the shit to drop. You guys will see that it's gonna be like 20 seconds. I literally had to fast forward it by 20 times in order to cut it down to the time that I put it in this video. Bruh, shit was ridiculous. A lot of people even thought that shit wasn't gonna drop, but it eventually did. Right here I'm refreshing, bro, and it took hella long. Like, I'm telling you, bro, this shit took forever. Like, literally you can see the time passing and zooming in right now, bro. It was like 11:04 after I stopped this clip, 11:05 to be precise, and then the shit drops. I'm like, all right, let me get the black bag. Boom, let me add that shit to my cart, hit the checkout button, and I'm waiting. It took a little bit, and then at this point I just started loading all my information in. It's going in, boom, bang. I hit the process button and the processing speed was on 0 degrees, bro. Like, this shit was going hella slow as well. It was on the please wait screen, and then it started actually processing. I actually sped this shit up by like 8 or 20 in order to speed it and not waste you guys' time. After a while, you guys will see that this shit succeeded, bro. I managed to pick up the bag, and this was one of the items that I actually did want. Bro, it's a banger ass book bag, and I feel like I've been needing a bag for mad long. I don't typically go for the week 1 bags. I don't know why. I don't know, bro. I just never end up picking it up. So I'm really glad that I was able to cook up on this canvas book bag in the black colorway. Homie Marco, which actually just started his own Instagram account, managed to cook up the stool for me. He did say that it was having problems, so I don't know if it's officially a success on that side of things, but I do feel like it's a chance because I did get charged for it. You guys will be seeing it in an upcoming unboxing, hopefully. And I feel like this week was pretty short but long at the same time. It just took like 7 minutes for the drop to even happen, but once it did happen, I feel like it was a pretty successful day. I honestly wanted the book bag because I feel like I would wear that more than a stool. I would definitely use the book bag a whole lot. That's kind of why I decided to go for it. I feel like the stepping stool is something cool to have, but the book bag is something that you actually do need on a day-to-day basis, at least for me, because I could carry around my laptop in there, put some clothes if I'm staying out for the weekend, and it's way easier to carry around than a full-ass duffel. But in my opinion, it was a sleeper week. It was kind of successful for some people. Let me know what you guys experienced today. This shit was just bad, bro. A lot of you guys actually DM me like, yo, is the drop even happening? Like, what's going on, bro? But hey, we managed to cook up, so major shout out to Marco for hopefully cooking up the stool for me. Major shout out to my fingers for cooking up the canvas bag. And that pretty much does it for this video. I know this might be a super short video, and for that I do apologize, but I still want to get a live cop out to you. Let me know if this shit was delayed for you as well. I want to know if it was tragic for everybody. If you did enjoy though, slap a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. I am gonna try to add more sneaker content to the channel really shortly. I'm trying to post my reaction to the Jordan fall releases, like all the sneakers that Jordan is supposed to be dropping from here to the end of the year. I'm gonna try to react to that today and show you guys that video for hopefully Saturday is what I'm aiming for. But all that being said, man, subscribe to the channel, help me get to 20K by the end of 2020. I'll bring a crazy ass giveaway for you guys, I promise on that one. But without any further ado, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.